Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can reverse or make a video play backward on Filmora 14. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Filmora application on my computer, and first of all I'm going to add my video to the timeline or the track like this. And then if we want to reverse a video on Filmora, we need to find the speed menu. You can click on this arrow guys, and then you can select speed, and on the speed menu you will be able to find reverse option, and you just need to click on reverse to reverse your video. Okay, and now the video has been reversed, and I'm going to play it to show you the result. Okay, this is the result guys. As you can see that my video is played backward. Okay guys, and that's all the way to reverse a video on Filmora 14. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!